Welcome to another Linleys video. Hi, I'm Warren Brand and this evening I'm joining Dan of Camp Life Bushcraft for some time out in this lovely woodland. We're going to use his new hot tent from Onetigris. This will be my first time in a hot tent, so looking forward to it. We have some prep to do, having selected a patch for the rather large tent. The tent doesn't come with a footprint or ground sheet, so we'll have to be careful to clear away the leaves. We have small ground sheet pieces to go under our bedding for later though.
So we want some sticks.
Yeah.
Oh, they're nice. Oh, we'll sit out there. Oh, yeah. So we want.
Is that going to fit? Oh, that'll hold. I'll do a clove hitch with an extra little cheeky knot. That is then not going to slide at all. That's good. I'm being attacked by a tree.
Oh look, there's a tree here. Oh. I'll use that. So a little bit more.
Yeah.
Just little bits up yonder.
Yep.
Yeah? We've got that other green.
With the tent set up, we have to crack on with collecting wood to get the wood burner going as soon as possible. I'm on food duties this evening for a change.
I was trying to bring it as one.
Yeah.
They kept getting snagged up on it. Right.
We could do this, yeah.
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 And then open it like that.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Oh, yeah. Cheers.
Nice one. Nice one. Absolutely. That was good. Yep.
Yeah, we are now set up, and it's probably 6 o'clock, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Is dinner ready? You're doing dinner.
I am doing dinner. I did say, need to get out.
That's it. I'm done for the night. I'm
You
just
are.
here. Yeah. So Warren is cooking. I bought the beer and the wine, which means my backpack was in excess of 20 kilos.
Liquid.
If not more.
Liquid.
4 beers for Warren, 3 for me, 2 bottles of wine, 3 litres of water.
Yeah.
That's probably getting on for 10 kilos
I
by
would say
itself.
it is by itself, yeah. Yeah.
So I want my pack to be light in the morning, so we're gonna work through it.
We will. Shall we look to see what I got? I got
Oh, food wise?
yeah. Well, I didn't do what you suggested.
What have you
I
bought?
just got some snacks.
Burgers.
Yeah, burgers, yeah. Okay. So
I didn't bring Pringles.
I didn't bring Pringles.
Blimey, that's a bag of food, isn't it?
It is. It is. So still in its wrapper.
Brand
Is
new.
that
brand new.
embarrassing? Is that embarrassing?
Brand new Zebra Billy.
Brand new. Brand new.
I bet he cleans it so it's shiny in the morning.
I polished it and put the plastic covering back on again. Anyway.
I'll be rolling that in the mud
Yeah,
later.
it could be. I got some
Is that the diced lamb?
diced lamb
Nice.
that's been marinating.
Cool.
Yeah, so that's good. That's a hunk of meat. Pudding for later.
Oh.
You got the bread, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
So I did bring them just in case.
All right.
Right,
Mushrooms?
mushrooms.
Nice. No comment.
2 carrots.
Half a ton of celery? I
Yeah.
thought you were only going to bring
I
one.
was.
Yeah.
We'll eat what we're going to eat and then
Have a vegetarian breakfast.
yeah,
Onion.
onion. 2 leeks.
Nice. Blimey, that ain't going to fit in that pot.
No,
What's that?
and 2
whole
potatoes.
chicken.
2 potatoes. And that is it.
Oh, so we're in lamb and vegetable stew,
Yeah.
like an Irish stew. Bit of red wine in it.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Better get on with it.
Yeah, you bet. I'm just going to sit here. Can I borrow your chair to put my feet on?
No. No. Cheers.
Yeah, we are settled in and cosy. This is starting to warm up. A treat now. That's hot. Put my hand above it. Side of the tent still cold. That's okay. It's the first time using this tent as a hot tent. I've been out in it camping. I'm talking to them, not you.
Yeah, I'm listening. I'm allowed to listen. I'm allowed to listen.
Avert your ears. Warren's going to cook dinner in a bit,
Food time.
but I'm going to sit here and get drunk.
That's going down very nicely.
Yeah, I know. I nearly
That is
finished
going
mine.
down very nice.
We're just going to be eating raw vegetables, aren't we? I like this tent, the way we set it up. It kind of, when we were doing it, I didn't feel that big, but now
Yeah,
we're
but
sitting under it. It's
I
lovely,
like
isn't
the awning kind of concept. It just feels.
it? Yeah. You guys probably can't see it, but yeah, we're sitting under a canopy that's probably 2 meters long, isn't it?
Yeah.
From the edge. Nice.
Oh yes. There we are. Oh, perfect fit-ish. I'll do. Running out of space. Oh, yes. Lovely. That smells good.
Okay, you ready for Warren's intro? Here we go. But yeah, so welcome to Warren's video, and yes, we're in a hot tent that's not particularly hot, mostly because we got a massive great awning.
Is open.
So yeah, all the lovely heat is escaping. Although I'm tucked in the corner and I'm quite warm. Warren's cooking me dinner. Don't forget, we got the lovely little lantern hanging on a stick.
Yeah.
We've done some proper bushcraft.
We
lent a stick against another stick.
Yeah.
That counts.
Oh, that was my design.
It was, wasn't it?
That was.
In fact, you've done all the work.
I have, for change.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is nice to end a busy working week with a beer and moving on to just enjoy some chill time.
That's cooked down a treat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, now there's coals in it.
Yeah, no, that is
It's loving
that
it.
is good. That is good. Potatoes next.
Yep.
So that needs... Oh, I didn't even cut them. Why did I not do that? Butter's all solid. I've got some rum. Does rum go in hot chocolate?
Rum goes with everything.
Well, I got some rum.
How was your dinner? How was your stew that you made?
Dinner that I made was very good, actually.
You did really well.
Yeah, yeah. I had some guidance. That lamb was excellent, actually.
Yes, yeah.
It was.
I'm trying to film you. There's a big pole in the middle.
There is. Yeah.
And I'm on for sorting breakfast using my Trangia frying pans on the wood burner, which is back alight to get the chill off this morning. Thank you again, Dan, for your company, chat and Woodland bushcraft experience, and a fine chance to sleep in a hot tent for a change. I'm sure you know his channel, but if not, there's a link to it in the description below.
That was very good, Dan. Thank you very much. Excellent bit of hot tenting. And chilled morning. Nice and relaxing. No morning into the, maybe even touching into the afternoon. 12. Yeah.
please do click the like and drop a comment. Thanks for watching and bye for now.